How to use the F.O.R.D method for better conversations. The F.O.R.D method is a simple yet powerful technique used to spark engaging and meaningful conversations. Whether you're networking, making new friends, or breaking the ice at a social event, this method helps guide your conversation toward topics that people feel comfortable and interested in discussing. The acronym F.O.R.D stands for Family, Occupation, Recreation, and Dreams, 4 key areas that are relevant to almost everyone. Here's how you can use the F.O.R.D method to improve your conversations and build stronger connections with others. 1. Family. Understanding their personal life. Most people are happy to talk about their family or close relationships. Asking questions about family helps create a personal connection and shows genuine interest in someone's life. However, it's important to gauge the other person's comfort level before diving too deep. Questions to ask. Do you have siblings? How's your family doing? Do you have any kids? These questions provide insight into what's important in someone's personal life, and you can learn a lot about a person by listening to how they speak about their family. Be sure to follow up with additional questions based on what they share, demonstrating that you're truly engaged. Example. You. Do you come from a big family? Them. Yes, I have 3 brothers. You. Wow, that must have been fun growing up. Do you all still live close to each other? 2. Occupation. Learning about their work life. Talking about work or career is another easy entry point into a conversation. People generally spend a lot of time working, so they have plenty to say about their job, what they enjoy about it, or even the challenges they face. This is especially useful in professional settings where career-related topics are common. Questions to ask. What do you do for a living? How did you get into that line of work? What's your favorite part of your job? By discussing occupation, you can often find shared experiences, learn about different industries, and better understand what motivates or challenges the person you're speaking with. It's also a great way to ask about their aspirations and how they feel about their career trajectory. Example. You. What kind of work do you do? Them. I'm in marketing. You. That sounds interesting. How did you get into marketing? 3. Recreation. Exploring their hobbies and interests. People love talking about what they enjoy doing in their free time. Whether it's a sport, a creative hobby, or travel, this topic can bring a lot of energy and enthusiasm to the conversation. Recreation reveals someone's passions, and discussing shared interests can quickly deepen a connection. Questions to ask. What do you like to do for fun? Do you have any hobbies? Have you gone on any fun trips recently? Conversations about recreation can be lighthearted and engaging, allowing the other person to talk about something they enjoy and feel passionate about. Sharing common interests in this area can make conversations flow easily and create a natural bond. Example. You. What do you like to do when you're not working? Them. I love hiking and spending time outdoors. You. That's great. Do you have a favorite hiking trail? 4. Dreams. Discovering their goals and aspirations. Discussing someone's dreams or future aspirations allows for deeper conversation. People often enjoy talking about their goals, ambitions, or what they hope to achieve in the future. It can also be an inspiring way to connect on a more profound level, especially when you show interest in their long-term plans. Questions to ask. What's your biggest goal right now? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Is there something you've always dreamed of doing? Conversations about dreams can reveal a lot about a person's motivations and passions. It's also an excellent opportunity to offer support, encouragement, or even advice, depending on the context of your relationship. Example. You. What's something you've always wanted to do? Them. I've always wanted to start my own business. You. That sounds amazing. What kind of business would you like to start? Why the F.O.R.D method works. The F.O.R.D method works because it taps into 4 universal topics that most people enjoy discussing. Whether you're meeting someone new or looking to deepen an existing relationship, the F.O.R.D method helps you engage in meaningful conversation. By focusing on family, occupation, recreation, and dreams, you're guiding the conversation towards subjects that allow people to open up and share more about themselves. Using the F.O.R.D method makes conversations flow naturally because it's based on people's everyday experiences and aspirations. Rather than relying on small talk, you're creating opportunities for more substantial and engaging dialogue. How to recognize which topic to start with. Observe cues. Pay attention to what the other person mentions first. If they start talking about their family or mention something about work, that's often a good entry point for continuing the conversation on that topic. Use context. In a professional setting, it may be easier to start with occupation-related questions. In a casual or social setting, asking about recreation or hobbies can feel more natural. Be flexible. Some people may be more comfortable talking about work, while others may open up more when discussing personal passions. Stay flexible and shift between topics based on how the conversation is going. Conclusion. The F.O.R.D method is a valuable tool for fostering better conversations and connecting with people on a more personal level. By focusing on family, occupation, recreation, and dreams, you can create a comfortable and engaging dialogue that feels natural and meaningful. Whether in professional settings or social interactions, the F.O.R.D method will help you get to know people better and build stronger connections with ease.